Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make this easy knife at home which can cut paper and binding sheet easily. Things you need to make this are a screwdriver, sharpeners, Fevikwik or any super glue, and 2 ice cream sticks which are equal size. If they are not equal size, you can cut the bigger one using the cutting pliers to the same size. And and you can use this for binding books because this knife cuts the binding sheet very easily. First, we are going to take the screwdriver and a sharpener and remove the screw which you can see. If the screw is a little bit jam and the sharpener is very much old and the blade is rusted, make sure you don't use it. And when you remove, you can see that there's a slant silver part. Do not touch that because that is the sharp edge of the blade. Now we are going to take the 2 ice cream sticks which are equal size and the super glue. And now we will take the marker and see how much where we should keep it. And mark that area using the marker. Now after you mark, I'm going to put the super glue. Fix super glue. If you are using Fevikwik, make sure you should be fast as it dries very fast. And now we are going to place the blade and take the super glue again. Now take the other step and apply glue from top to bottom. If you don't have 2 sticks, you can even cut the stick in half. And now very slowly place it. And now I am using masking tape as it comes very easily. Remove a little bit of tape. Cut the masking tape using a scissor and going to tape it for a few hours so that it doesn't make these ice cream sticks shake. We are going to stick on the middle and the end. It depends on the glue you use. Few glues take hours or days to dry and few glues take seconds or minutes to dry. Let's wait for 5 minutes. I am using the sharpener which was not working properly and the blade was shaking. So I have used this sharpener. Do not use new sharpeners as they work properly. And keep your pencil sharp. Using Amul ice cream stick which we throw after eating the ice cream. After it dries, when you remove the masking tape, your knife is ready. This is still not dried and taking a long time to dry, so we will keep it for one day. And after one day, when it dries, when you remove this masking tape, your knife is ready. I have used the waste items to make this knife. I have taken a binding sheet because I have made this in my new books. Let me cut and show how easily this cuts. See how easily in only one line it has got cut. Let me cut and show you again. It cuts very easily. See how easily this is cutting. And the blade is also not going inside. It's very simple and takes a very less time to cut. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and like for more amazing videos like these. Thanks for watching.